I created the Children's Law Center in 1989. The Children's Law Center serves school-age children that come to us who have at-risk factors, usually that get them into different systems like the juvenile court or the child welfare system, or because they're struggling with school-related issues. Many of the young people that we serve are incarcerated, or they are involved in the juvenile or family court systems. Sometimes they're just at risk for being involved. I think the biggest challenge that we see long-term for many of these kids is that they really have challenges that prevent them from successfully transitioning into adulthood. So sometimes those are economic circumstances, they're related to their education, they're related to incarceration or mental health issues that go untreated. Ultimately that's what we want for all kids, is to be safe and have an education and economic opportunities, because that's what healthy adults do.
Through our advocacy on behalf of kids, we're able to help children navigate those difficult situations, as well as to help them become self-advocates for themselves. And through that, we're able to create outcomes for them where they have more economic opportunities, where they have more stable and supportive living situations, and kids where they can be just kids and be free from mental and physical harm. Demand for services at the Children's Law Center has grown and grown over the past few years. We're serving record numbers of individual clients and cases, not counting the thousands of kids that are impacted through our systemic work and reforms across our region. We have served over 500 individual cases, and that number is going to grow and grow in our community. Not only are we going to need more and more financial resources, we're going to need increased community support and advocacy for the work of the Children's Law Centers and the issues that are important to the kids that we represent.
I'd like to thank all of the people that support the Children's Law Center, whether it's through financial contributions or other forms of support. We just rely on that heavily in order to do the work that we do. So I'd like to thank you for hearing our story and for supporting the work of the Children's Law Center and finding more out about what we do for kids.
The Children's Law Center. Help us help kids. Donate now.